Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Microsoft Store won't open in Windows 11. All right, so let's begin with the video. If the Microsoft Store isn't opening or working on Windows 11, there are several reliable fixes you can try. Start with the simplest and move down if needed. First, open the Start menu, then search for Microsoft Store, then right-click it and select App Settings. Here, scroll down and click Terminate to stop the app. After that, click Repair, and then reset. This clears temporary issues and often fixes launch problems immediately. Next, reset the store cache using a built-in tool. Open the Start menu, type WS Reset, and run it. A command window will appear briefly, and then the Microsoft Store should open automatically. If it still doesn't work, check your system time settings. Click on your Windows icon and go to Settings. Then go to Time and Language, and then go to Date and Time, and make sure both Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically are turned on. Incorrect time settings can prevent the store from connecting properly. Also, go to Windows Update and click Check for updates. Install any pending updates, then restart your PC. Missing updates can sometimes break store functionality. If none of that works, try reinstalling the Microsoft Store using PowerShell. Open Start window, search for PowerShell, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. Then paste this command and press Enter. Once the command finishes, restart your computer and try opening the store again. In most cases, resetting the app or running WS Reset fixes the issue. But the PowerShell method is the most effective if the store is completely broken. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Microsoft Store won't open in Windows 11. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.